Well, local firefighting agencies held a community wildfire panel this evening to discuss with the community about the upcoming wildfire season and also address funding concerns. News 4's Sophie Lincoln was there and has more on what they can expect heading into the summer. Sophie?
Andrea, unlike many other federally funded agencies right now, local firefighting groups tell me they're actually not impacted by the Trump administration's funding cuts, and they're actually heading into this fire season with normal staffing levels and resources at their disposal. While the Trump administration's crackdown on federal spending has created an uncertain time for many federally funded organizations, local firefighting agencies are reassuring the community that they're just as prepared as ever for the upcoming wildfire season.
We're funded and we have staffing about the similar levels that we have in the last couple of years. And so as part of the administration, one of the big priorities for them has been emergency response and health and safety, and we fall under that aspect. And so we are staffed similar to what we have been in the last couple years, and we expect to provide a very similar service to what we have in the last few years as well.
But fire officials say even with all the firefighting resources in the world, wildfires are difficult to control, especially in our current climate and environment.
Will we have enough resources for fire? That's a different question, because when it's busy, it takes everybody that we have, all of our state partners, our local partners. It's really all hands on deck when fire season gets going.
Recent fires like the Davis fire have demonstrated the new reality of what agencies call living with fire.
We were living there and we had neighbors who were here. We were out on vacation, luckily, so we missed the worst of it. But we saw the damage. And we can still see the damage up on the hill.
And while firefighting agencies are gathering staff and resources in preparation for what they say could be a dangerous wildfire season, officials say there are things you can do to help too.
86% of Nevada's starts are caused by human starts. So the more that we can have the public be aware of and cautious of causing any wildfires, the better that it is for those natural starts, so we can staff accordingly.
Again, officials say they're not expecting any of those federal funding cuts or freezes, but it is lining up to be an above average fire season, so they say it's very important to be fire ready. Live in the studio, Sophie Lincoln, News 4.